hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is something a little bit different, and I'm going to be going through your guys' submissions on who you think my celebrity lookalikes are. I saw this video on Haz's channel and I thought, you know what, that would be really interesting. So I asked you guys over on my Instagram who you guys think I look like, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do, because then you guys can be involved in videos like this. But yeah, I'm really excited to go through them. I've tried my best not to look at them so you guys can get my overall reactions. Hopefully I know who these people are. I'm really bad at celebrity names, so fingers crossed. And yeah, let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and let's go. I've decided I'm going to rate these on the scale of 1 to 5. 5 being that they are my identical twin, and 1 being I don't think I look anything like this person. So let's go. The first one is Cindy Lou Who. I don't know whether this one was a joke, but I genuinely don't think I look anything like Cindy Lou Who. I might have done when I was younger, because I used to have blonde hair and my nose was probably a little bit more like this, and I was smaller, but now I don't think I look anything like Cindy Lou Who, so I'd probably have to give myself a 1 for that one. But yeah. The next one was Georgia Groom. Now the funny thing with this is that when I was younger and in secondary school, all of my friends said that I was basically Georgia. I don't know whether it is my nose, I have quite a big nozzle, or what, I'm not really sure. Like maybe it's the mouth, I don't know, like I can't figure it out. I definitely have a similar side profile because I don't have a very strong jawline and she doesn't either, so maybe it's that, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below, but I think I do look very similar to Georgia Groom a little bit, especially when I was at school, so I would give that one a 4 out of 5, I think. The next one is Kirsten Dunst. Now I believe she is from Spider-Man. Let me just check. Yes, so Kirsten Dunst was in Spider-Man. She was also in Bring It On, which is one of my favourite films ever. I don't know whether I look like Kirsten Dunst, you know. Hang on, let me go on to images. Let's have a little look. I mean, I wish I looked like Kirsten Dunst because I think she's stunning, but I don't know whether I see it, to be honest. I feel maybe when I had blonde hair and it was straight, maybe I look a little bit similar, but I don't think she's my doppelganger, so I'm gonna have to go with a 2 on that one, a 2 out of 5. The next one is Carrie Fletcher. Now this is quite funny because I used to get this on videos all the time, especially back in the day when I had blonde curly hair. Pretty much every single video somebody would say, oh my god, you look like Carrie Fletcher, you look like Carrie Hope Fletcher, blah blah blah. And I never really saw it until I asked people, like, do you think I look like this person? And they would always say yes. So I now look at this and think, actually, I probably did look very, very similar to Carrie Fletcher, especially back in the day. And I had a few people reply to this and say Carrie Fletcher. So I'm going to give this one a 4.5 because I do think that out of everyone so far, we probably look the most alike, especially when I had my blonde hair. So yeah, 4.5 for Carrie Fletcher. The next one is Hayley Williams. Now, I love Hayley Williams. I don't think I look like Hayley Williams at all. Let me know. I will obviously be inserting photos, so let me know what you guys think, but I just don't see it. I think maybe when I was in college and I used to have straight, short, like bright coloured hair, then maybe I was somewhat similar, but I don't know whether I see it as an actual lookalike. So that one's quite interesting. I would probably give that one a 1.5. I feel like I don't really look like Hayley Williams, but I don't know, maybe back in the day I did, but I don't think I look anything like Hayley Williams now, so a 1.5 for that one. The next one is Joey King. Now, do you know what? I never thought about this, but I'm gonna Google Joey King's face just so I can look at her face whilst we're talking, do you know what I mean? In a way, I do kind of see it. Like, she has a very similar nose to me, like a very similar nose. And I feel like our lips are kind of similar. I'm trying to look at myself in the reflection. I think her eyes are a little bit smaller than mine, and we definitely have different eyebrows, but I feel like from here down it is kind of similar, like the nose. Maybe it's just the nose, I'm not really sure, but I can kind of see it but kind of not. So I am gonna go for a 4 out of 5 for this one. I feel like in this picture she kind of does look a little bit like me, but yeah, I do think it is genuinely the nose and the mouth area that we look similar. So yeah, I'm gonna give that one a 4 out of 5. The next one I got was Emma Roberts. Now I'm not gonna lie, Emma Roberts is an absolute queen. I'm gonna just quickly get some images. I don't know if I see it. Shall I Google her with brown hair? Okay, here we go. Here's a picture with her with brown hair. Like, do I look like that? I don't know. Do I? I don't know if I can see it. I feel like maybe our mouths are the same. I'm trying to smile like she's smiling in the picture. Or maybe our eyes are quite similar. Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure about this one. I think I might give this one a 3.5 because I feel like there is something similar. Is it our nose? Oh, I'm really not sure. Maybe a 3. I'll give this one a 3 because I'm really not sure. I wish I looked like Emma Roberts because she's absolutely stunning, but I just don't know if I see it. Let me know what you think, but I'm not too sure. And the last one I'm going to do is Phoebe... Oh, what's her last name? Denver? She's from Bridgerton. I'm not sure how to pronounce her name. I am going to Google her though because I have only watched one episode of Bridgerton and I haven't finished it. So let's have a Google. I'm trying to find a picture that's like just of her naturally, do you know what I mean? But in a lot of pictures she has a lot of makeup on. Okay, this one, I don't see it. No. Do you know what? I wish I did look like her because I think she is stunning, but I think my mouth's much bigger, my nose is much bigger, my eyes are a lot rounder than hers. She's got very like sleek eyes, and yeah, no, I don't see it. I'm gonna give this one a 1 so she can sit with Cindy Lou Who on this one. I just don't see it. Maybe it's the picture I'm looking at, I'm not sure, but if you guys think that I do, let me know because it would be really interesting, but I just really don't see it on that one. So yeah, no. So those are all the celebrity lookalikes I'm going to be going through today. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I know it's something a little bit different for my channel, but I do want to just do an occasional video like this where I throw out something completely different. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know down below any celebrity lookalikes I didn't mention that you think I look like, or any celebrity lookalikes I mentioned that you also think I look like, because I'd find that really interesting and I would really love to know. So yeah, let me know down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. I would absolutely love to have you here, and I have a giveaway coming so soon and I'm so excited, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. I love you guys a lot and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.